Vito Scaletta?
Yeah? What's it to you?
You're under arrest for the illegal distribution of federal ration stamps. You're coming with us.
One of the gas station attendants ratted me out. The guy fingered me and they strung on Mama into telling him where I was staying. But they had no idea who I was working for, and I wasn't about to tell them. Henry was able to get me a lawyer, courtesy of his boss, Clemente. I was up Schitt's Creek, but at least I had a battle. Could have been a hell of a lot worse if the feds knew about any of my other activities.
To be even more serious, considering the fact that you stole national resources at a time when our country needs them the most. An act the gravity of which you, Mr. Scaletta...
The guy was good, but even he couldn't get me out of this one. It was a lost cause from day one. 3 months later, they handed down the verdict.
Vittorio Antonio Scaletta, for your crimes against the people of this city and of this great country, this court hereby sentences you to 10 years in a federal penitentiary.
Federal pen. Thieves, murderers, child molesters, they were all here. The worst of the worst.
All right, get in line, gentlemen. Follow me single file. And no monkey business, or else.
Let's go, assholes! You want to make problems, you son of a bitch?
I'm sorry.
What's the matter? No speaking to English? Here, let me teach you.
What, do you enjoy this, you sick fuck?
Now, get your ass up and get back in line.
No! Hey, smartass, don't make me repeat myself. Back in line.
Move it! Stop right there. Turn to your right. Your other right.
Listen up, assholes. My name is Captain Terrence Stone, and this is my prison. You're here on the inside because you can't behave like normal human beings on the outside. Make no mistake. Your ass belongs to me now, and you'll do what I say, or you'll be sorry that you didn't! Fuck with me, and I'll fuck with your sorry ass all day long! You were sent here to be rehabilitated, and rehabilitate you, we will.
Okay, you assholes. We're gonna cut you loose just long enough to get yous cleaned up. Now get in line and follow me.
Welcome to the salon, ladies. You're gonna look just fucking beautiful.
Hey, me too? I ain't got nothing on my head to cut.
Shut your face, cue ball. Okay, let's go. Hey, shit for brains. Do what you're fucking told.
Listen, pretty boy, if you ain't gonna do what you're told, we're gonna stick you in the hole.
Follow me.
I can smell your new fish.
Welcome home. Get in.
Lights out! And be quiet, assholes!
You know what's good for you.
This was gonna be my new home for the next 10 years. Looked like shit and smelled like piss. I would have preferred dodging bullets in Europe to this. After 3 action-packed days of staring at the wall, I got a message from Joe to contact a guy named Leo Galante, who could supposedly help me out in here. This wasn't the kind of place where you could survive on your own.
You hear about Dan? Heard they got him in the showers.
Hey,
yeah,
I need to talk to
those
Leo
fucking
Galante.
queers
Point him
are
out,
getting
will
out
you?
of hand, huh?
Get the fuck
Damn
away from me.
straight. And this time, he ended up in the infirmary.
Hey, I need to talk to Leo Galante. Point him out, will you?
Get out of here before you make me mad. You hear about Dan? Heard they got him in the showers. Yeah, those fucking queers are-
I'm looking for Leo Galante.
Buzz off, asshole. You seen Gabe lately? He's in the hall.
Hey,
Again?
I need to talk to Leo Galante. Point him out, will you?
Sorry, don't know the guy. Tried to fight the guards. The guy's got balls, all right.
Excuse me, you
And
know
a
where Leo
couple of
Galante is?
sandwiches
Get
short
out of
a
my
picnic
face.
Ming teach you kung fu.
Hey, I need to talk to Leo Galante. Point him out, will you?
Your fortune for today is get the fuck away from me.
Do this time. The usual. Old stone to go and fuck him.
Excuse me, you know where Leo Galante is?
No idea.
Man, I was wondering, you think you could teach me some of that shit you guys
I'm looking for Leo Galante.
No good speaking to White Devil. You go away now.
I know you.
You're that fucking guinea who was with Barbara in the jewelry store. I'm in this fucking hellhole because of you.
You got locked up because you're a stupid, crazy fuck.
You know, fellas, my mom was right. There is a God! And he sent you here, you Genny bastard, so that I could pay you back!
This looks interesting. Want to make a small bet?
I'm gonna break you, Dago! Fucking brain!
Come on, you overgrown retard.
You and your boyfriend Bangalore!
This is gonna be easier than the time I shoved a potato up your mother's ass.
Skinny little...
Eating faggots for breakfast?
Kill him, O'Neill!
Kick his ass, O'Neill! Stomp his fucking brain! Step back! Did you hear me? Break it out of here! Both of you's going to the hole!
We're gonna give you a little time to think about what you've done. Close it up.
So O'Neill almost took my head off, but I made a stand. And let me tell you something, when you're inside, counts for a lot more than you might think.
How long are you planning on keeping him in here?
Long enough to learn his lesson.
That's gonna have to change. He in any shape to fight.
See, boys didn't knock him around too bad after the brawl in the yard. All right, open it up. Rise and shine, Scaletta. You got yourself a visitor.
My name is Leo Galante. I heard you wanted to speak to me.
Yeah. One of Clementi's guys said I should contact you. Said maybe you could help me out.
Oh, fuck Clemente. I don't provide protection for his guys in here. But I saw how you handled that Mick who's after you, O'Neill. He could prove useful. Come with me, boy. Now listen up, fellas. This is Vito. He's gonna be helping us out. Pepe here's got a big fight coming up against O'Neill. He needs a sparring partner. And from what I saw of you out there in the yard, you're just the man for the job. You're gonna help us out, kid. In return, you'll be under my protection. And who knows, maybe you'll even learn a thing or two along the way.
I guess I can't say no to that offer, huh?
I don't remember asking. All right, fellas, let's get this show on the road. Okay, today we're gonna work on your counterpunching. Vito, I want you to hit Pepe. Try and bust that big jaw of his. Pepe, you avoid the punch like I showed you. Then use that momentum to throw a punch of your own. All right, fellas, let's get going. Attaboy, Pepe. Keep that oversized chin of yours down, damn it.
It's good.
Whoa! Would you look at that?
Hey! We supposed to be sparring or training?
Change of plans, big fella. This kid's got fire in him. So now you're both gonna practice your counterpunches. All right, Vito. See if you can do that again. It's a handy tool to have in the box, huh? Most guys ain't gonna see it coming. Pepe here, he ain't most guys, though. Nice, kid, nice. Give me 2 more of those. All right, one more, Vito.
That had to hurt.
There you go. You're a fast learner, kid. All right, fellas, that's enough for today. Nice work. So how close did you get to Clemente, Vito?
Actually, I never met him. I always dealt with either Henry Tomasino or Luca Guarino.
Huh. I can't believe that cocksucker Guarino's still breathing.
What was your deal with him?
Well, you know, we did a couple jobs for him, and, Luca said he'd bring us into the family for, $5,000.
What? Typical fucking Alberto. He's always been a crooked bastard.
So what is that, like more than usual?
Yeah, like $5,000 more than usual.
You don't gotta pay to get in, Vito. You're brought into the family once you prove that you're loyal, a good earner, and you can handle, you know, the life. In any case, this is an interesting piece of news. When this gets out, Alberto and Luca are gonna have a lot of explaining to do.
To who?
Jeez.
Don't worry about that. We'll talk about it some other time.
Come on, give me another 20.
Winston's offering 2-to-1 against Pepe. Pepe wasn't a friend of mine, I take that bet.
Yeah,
O'Neill's a fucking animal.
Hey, how you doing? Name's Vito.
Yeah, I know. Name's Al. Good to meet you.
Hey, you feel like sparring?
Yeah, sure, why not?
Yeah, that's it.
All right, let's go.
Okay, but go easy on me, okay? I ain't a pro like you or Pepe.
Keep it up.
All right, let's do this.
Come on, give me another 20. Yeah, that's it. Keep it up. Come on, give me another 20.
You want to keep going?
All right, let's go.
Yeah, that's it.
All right, let's do this.
Keep it up. Come on, give me another 20. Yeah, that's it. Keep it up. Come on, give me another 20.
You want to keep going?
Hey, you know what? That's it for now.
Yeah, that's
All right,
it.
your choice.
Nice work in the ring, buddy.
Keep
Little
it
more
up.
of that and you'll be ready for a real fight.
Hey,
Come
how's
on,
it going?
give me another
How you
20.
doing, Vito? Name's Sal. Hey, nice work in the ring.
Yeah, thanks. Hey, speaking
Yeah,
of which,
that's
you want
it.
to do some sparring?
Not for nothing, but I got better shit to do than get my head busted. Ask Al. He needs his ass kicked.
Keep it
Yeah, all
up.
right, thanks. So, what brought you here, Sal?
I felt like lifting weights, and this is where
Come
the
on,
weights
give me
are.
another 20.
No, I mean, how'd you land in a big house?
I killed a guy for asking too many questions.
All right,
Yeah,
then.
that's
See you
it.
later.
Hell of a job with that asshole O'Neill. Nice. Next time, do us all a favor and snap the prick's neck, would you?
How's it going? I'm Vito.
Chris, how can I help you?
I'm looking to go a few rounds. You interested?
Buddy, I'm busy. Try Al. Over there.
Keep it up.
Watch where you walk, Guaylo.
Maybe if your eyes were all the way open, you would have seen me coming, asshole.
Galante. Crooked white devil.
Nice to see you too, Mr. Wu. Crooked? You bet on your own guy and he lost. That's the way it works in this country.
Then Wu offer you a rematch.
I think I can arrange that. You up to it, Vito?
Chinaman, huh? Yeah, get him a stepladder and send him over.
All right, Wu. Looks like you got yourself a rematch. And none of that chop suey crap this time. Now listen, these chinks are quick little bastards. No point in throwing big punches early on. You'll never connect.
All right. What am I supposed to do then?
You hit him quick and tire him out. When he's weak, he'll put his guard down. Then you swing for the fences. Now get out there and show him what you're made of.
Hey, does Vito get a fortune cookie after eating your guy for breakfast?
打死他！快点打死他！就是这样子踢他，快踢他！就是这样带他，打他，打他！哎呀 ，shut up study more。对对，就是个那样子，当时他也就是个那样子，对，快点踢呀，快点踢 ！His master will not be happy。哎呀 ，this no happen if you use tiger style。Let's go, Scaletta. You're late for work.
Hey, listen. Vito here's got the day off, courtesy of Mr. Galante.
Gotcha. Don't get used to it, Scaletta.
All right. Come with me, Vito. What, are we gonna train some more? Sorta. You'll see.
Morning, kid.
Morning, Mr. Galante. What, no training today?
Not exactly. We got a challenge from the spooks, and I don't want to risk Peppy getting all banged up before his big fight with O'Neill. So I want you to take this one. It'll be good practice for you. Come on. Now, the guy you're gonna be fighting is a strong bastard, but he ain't too bright. Fights with his heart, not his head. You piss him off, you lower his guard. That's when you let him have it. All right, here we go. Make me proud, kid.
Ooh, looky here. I'ma take this skinny-ass white boy to school. Gonna hit him so hard his mama's mama gonna feel it. Hope you meatballs getting ready to lose.
Hey, win or lose, it'll probably be the hardest work this bum ever did in his life.
Oh, come on, my grandmama hit me harder than that. Your little cracker going down.
Laying down on the job like always. Let's go, Vito. Put these bums back in their place.
Man, who taught this brother how to fight?
Now, Vito, grab him and finish. All right, kid. Now put his lights out.
Oh, this boy got as much chance of winning.
Hell of a job, kid. Hell of a job. Here's your cut, Vito. You earned it.
Yo, one of the hacks is coming.
What the hell is this? Some kind of circle jerk? All right, come on, Scaletta. You got a visitor. Hey!
Hi, Vito.
Hey, Frankie. How you doing?
I'm doing good. Real good, thanks.
So, how's things?
Well, I got something to tell you. I'm getting married, Vito.
Oh, Maron, that's great. I mean, it would have been nice if he asked my permission first, but... Hey, I'm happy for you.
Vito, you're in jail. Look at yourself. How'd you let this happen?
Hey, I already got a lecture from the judge, huh? I don't need another one. Just drop it, all right?
Vito, there's something else. It's Mama.
What do you mean? What about her?
She's sick, Vito. She's been like this for weeks and she's not getting any better.
Look, Frankie. Go to Joe's. He's holding on to my money for me. You get her the best doctor you can find. And, you keep the rest as a wedding gift.
Vito...
No, I mean it. Looks like I'm not gonna need it for a while. All right, looks like I gotta go. look, you take care of Ma. Tell her I love her.
I will. And thanks, Vito. Bye.
Let's go, Scaletta. Those turlets ain't gonna clean themselves. So, you're the new cleaning lady, huh? Follow me.
Hey, pal, you mind? Yo, practice that shit someplace else. Come on, man, you're killing us. Jesus, your singing is the second worst thing that happened to me
There you
here.
go. Make them sparkle. And hurry it up. Hey, pipe down now. All of yous.
Relax, fellas. I'm just giving the old pipes a workout.
Any more of that shit, and I'm gonna give your face a workout. Hey.
All right. Jeez. You guys got no culture.
What's the matter? Keep cleaning, or else. Hey, looks like this one's still dirty. Clean it again. You deaf? Clean that pisser now. That's more like it. Clean it good. All right, that's enough. Now you're gonna go join the rest of the animals in the showers. Get moving. All right, Scaletta, get your clothes off and get cleaned up. Would you kindly? What's the holdup here? Move your asses.
Hey, Frankie, we got a little business to take care of here, huh? Why don't you go have a smoke?
Yeah, sure. Have your fun, you sick bastards.
I like your scars, pretty boy. Where'd you get them?
Sorry, asshole. You picked the wrong ass to drill.
We can do this the easy way, or the hard way. Your choice.
I got a better idea. Why don't you go fuck your buddies instead? Or better yet, go fuck yourself.
Okay. I guess you want it rough. It's fine. Dude.
Fuck, this guy's a fighter, huh? Hurry up, Joe. We got more. What? Hey! Hey! Whoa, whoa! What the hell's going on? Where's Frank?
Go on, boy, you know the drill. Oh, and, this came today. Might want to read it. Looks important.
No! Fuck!
Mama died while Francesca was visiting me. Instead of going toward a good doctor and a wedding gift, every penny I had went to the funeral.
Mr. Galante wants to talk to you. Come with me.
Good to have you back, kid.
What the hell happened?
It looks like the Micks weren't up for a fair fight. A couple of them jumped Pepe yesterday.
It was a lot more than a couple.
Yeah, well, we sure as hell ain't gonna let this go.
What do you got in mind?
Pepe's got it all worked out.
Took a little persuading, but O'Neill's all by himself right now in the gym. Guards won't be back for a while. You're just gonna give him a good beating. Break a couple of bones, same as they did to me. Got it?
Yeah, I got it.
All right, come with me.
Break a leg, kid.
I'll wait out here. If the guards get back early, I'll warn you.
Okay.
All right, go for it.
Hey, O'Neill. I got a little business to settle with you.
Just the man I wanted to see. Come here, Mary! Again, harder! Nice shot, Mary! Me ma used to hit harder than that. Is that all you've got? This time I'll finish you!
Jesus, what the fuck are you made of?
Oh, you'll have to do better than that, little girl! I'm not... I don't think so.
Shut the fuck up.
It all worked out just fine. They never found out who did it. Leo arranged for me to relocate to his cell. Well, actually, it was more like a suite. Life was getting better by the minute.
So, Vito, what do you plan on doing when you get out of this shithole?
I don't know. I sure as hell ain't gonna go back to working for Clemente, I can tell you that.
Yeah, you're better off just forgetting about that old bastard. Trust me, Alberto's a real cocksucker, and you can bet that lawyer he's hired was just there to make sure you didn't rot. But don't worry, you'll get his. Letting guys into your family for money like he offered you is against the rules. He's gonna have a lot of explaining to do.
To who? I thought Clemente was the boss.
You obviously don't know how things work around here. You see, there's more than one family in Empire Bay. There's 3. Each family controls their own neighborhoods. There's a system of rules. And if there's any disagreements, the bosses of all the families meet to work things out. That's the commission.
Great, so what do I do now? Am I in trouble too?
No, nothing like that. You're young, you're smart, and you've proven you can keep your mouth shut. You're exactly the type of guy everybody wants working for him.
Yeah, but I don't even know who these other guys are.
There's two other bosses besides Clemente. One is Carlo Falcone. The other is Frank Vinci. Carlo is young and ambitious.
The guy's a freaking nut job.
He's new blood, whereas Don Vinci is a man of honor. He respects the old ways.
You know these guys?
You could say that. And Frank Vinci is consigliere. You think being just a regular old man gets you all this? But listen, Vito. I'm getting out in a few months. When I do, you'll see what we can do about adjusting your sentence. Pepe, come here. Have a taste.